Deli, as the world's leading multi-working and learning scene industry group, has businesses covering office supplies, printing equipment, office furniture, security monitoring, equality tools, daily necessities, student stationery, government and enterprise procurement platforms, and other fields. Its business types covered 4 major channels, including distribution, e-commerce, B2B, and overseas, adhering to the mission of to develop products and services that meet the needs, exceeding the expectation of customers across the globe, to meet the efficient supply chain needs of multiple industries and formats. The Deli Intelligent Supply Chain System has emerged. With the goal of building a world-leading intelligent supply chain, Deli combines the Internet of Things and the Internet through 5G technology, truly achieving automation, intelligence, and visualization of order response, production and manufacturing, cargo sorting, and precision transportation. In terms of warehousing layout, Deli Intelligent Logistics has built a 3-level warehousing system consisting of central warehouses, regional warehouses, and urban warehouses, with a total area of over 800,000 square meters nationwide. The Deli Central Warehouse is located in Ningbo, Zhejiang, with a total area of 110,000 square meters and a storage capacity of 140,000 pallets. It has a total storage capacity of 2.8 million boxes and a daily throughput of over 200,000 boxes. The central warehouse is the central hub of Deli Logistics System. The nationwide warehousing network ensures the accurate and rapid circulation of effective goods in terms of breadth and depth. Deli Intelligent Logistics adopts the world's leading intelligent robot system and SAP-WMS information system, seamlessly integrating with the enterprise ERP system to achieve digital collaboration in various supply chain links. After the customer order is identified on the information platform, it is synchronized with the TMS system to complete the order loading. The system intelligently adapts the vehicle, then it is recognized by the vehicle guidance system and arrives at the designated platform waiting for loading. The goods are transported out of the warehouse through processes such as high-speed stackers, STV rail cars, multi-layer shuttle cars, robot automatic destacking, automatic labeling, slider sorting machines, and AGV automatic handling, achieving unmanned and intelligent operations throughout the entire process, greatly improving the operational efficiency from packing to loading. Speed is efficiency, precision is the pursuit. As a strong support for the group's supply chain system, Deli Intelligent Logistics will fully protect the development needs of multi-industry and multi-format, and provide customers worldwide with a more convenient and efficient procurement experience. Deli Intelligent Supply Chain, dedicated to global customers.